Another video for my channel. Please subscribe, hit the like button, share it. This video is gonna be dedicated for my uncle that he asked me how to do Chinese food, Puerto Rican style. I'm gonna teach him and show you how to do it. Follow me. Okay, first we got carrots, red onions, garlic, chicken, white onion. We have ham flavor seasoning, very tasty because the rice is white. We're gonna use to add a color. So we get an sofrito, a little bit of sofrito. We wait for the oil to warm up a little bit. You put it like in medium. We already got the rice. That's okay. It's gonna be rice from today or from yesterday that you save. It's okay. The more, a little bit more old or white rice is more flavor. I'm telling you. So first we wait for that. Gonna open the sofrito. Sofrito really good. Shake a little bit so you can have the flavor. Like 2 spoons. It's really good. Close it. Remember, like medium. Wait for that. The oil you can use is gonna be, if you don't have olive oil like this, we like to use this one. So you don't have it, that's okay. You can use regular oil. That is no problem with that. We're gonna add them a little bit of ground pepper, not too much, just to give them the flavors. Just a little bit, not too much. See, just a little bit sprinkle there. We're waiting for him to boil up and cook a little bit. Then, sorry for that. Then we're gonna add them carrots, onion, chicken, red onion. We're gonna add it everything. We're gonna add it everything. Everything in there. Everything. And wait for that to cook. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Start mixing it. Very nice. Got it right there. Just wait. Here we go. That's the cover that we're gonna use. And you can add it to this right now. Wait for that. Move them a little bit. Just start getting that flavor. can add them a little bit. I think like half a cup is really good. Yeah, like a half a cup. And the other ingredient, remember, they always use is salt. A little bit of salt on top. That's gonna be a nice flavor. There we go. I remember this. Don't forget about this one. There we go. Remember, when you're doing the rice, make sure that the rice. There we go. Now we're talking about. That already, that smell is touching already. Wait for boil a little bit. You can use a little bit of water so you want to. A little bit. Just for the rice. But you don't need too much. Because remember, you need to, the rice, it needs to be fried rice, not boiled rice. Add a little bit of water. Little bit. Just you can make more flavor, just a little bit. Check how it look. Okay. Then when you use that, we leave it just a few seconds before we're gonna add it the rice. Few seconds, telling you. Then we add the rice. And we add the rice. Add the rice. I'm doing a lot because here is 4 people, so that's why I can do a lot. Right about it. You mixed it. And you're gonna see that rice turning white to orange. Oh boy. Okay. Move them. Move all the rice. Really nice. They can get all the ingredients everywhere. You can need no white rice around. and like to add more rice in it. I like to do that. Move it. You just keep moving. Right. And there you get it, fellas. This is how you get fried rice, Puerto Rican style. Remember, any question, leave it there for... remember, the rice is cooked already. So you can leave it there for probably like 4 or 5 minutes. Remember, 4 or 5 minutes. Look at that. Yep. Doing the whole section. This is not cut video. This is full video. How you make it. No pause, no nothing. And this is how you make it, buddy. You don't need to cover it. Just cover it when leave it like for 4 or 5 minutes. You move it again like twice. And leave it there for 4 or 5 minutes. Then you bring the to low, and then you just keep it warm, and that's it, my friends. It's really good. I'm telling you, you're not gonna be regretted. Any question, anything that you need, just let me know. I already did this video first in Spanish. This time it's gonna be in English, and this is how it look. Chinese rice, Puerto Rican style. Fried rice, Puerto Rican style. Really good. Any question, leave it right there in the comments in the bottom. Yo, gentlemen, that's gonna be all for today. This is not adventure and fishing yet, because it's the coronavirus. This is crazy. But soon we're gonna be out. We'll show you real quick. We ready to go out. I'm waiting for a few papers to come for the kayak, and we're already ready to roll out. We got everything. We got the flag, we got the sponge, we got the seats, we got the hook, just in case we need to catch something really big and we need them. Because I know people do catch them and release them. Well, I do catching and releasing, but I need mine to eat too. So please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Any question, leave me right there in the bottom in the comments. Please, love y'all. Be safe. Wear a mask. Wear a glove. Love you. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Thank you.